Come to the fascinating story of how stars create and spread the heavy elements that make up our universe. From the iron in our blood to the gold in our jewelry, these elements were born in the hearts of stars. In this video, we'll explore the life cycles of stars, the process of stellar nucleosynthesis, and how these cosmic forges distribute their creations across space. Let's embark on a journey through time and space to understand the origins of the very matter that surrounds. Stars begin their lives in vast clouds of gas and dust, known as nebulae. Gravity pulls the material together, forming dense regions that eventually ignite nuclear fusion. This process marked the birth of a new star. As the star formed, it starts fusing hydrogen into helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy and light. This is the first step in a star's journey to creating heavier elements, setting the stage for the complex processes that follow. The core of every star, nuclear fusion, is the engine that powers its light and heat. In the earliest stages, stars fuse hydrogen atoms to form helium. This process releases energy, which counteracts the force of gravity and keeps the star stable. Fusion is not only the source of a star's brilliance, but also the mechanism by which new elements are formed, laying the groundwork for the creation of heavier elements. Stars exhaust their hydrogen fuel. They begin fusing helium into heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. This phase occurs in more massive stars, where higher temperatures and pressures allow for more complex fusion reactions. The creation of these elements is crucial, as they serve as building blocks for even heavier elements later in the star's life. This ongoing process transforms the star's core into a rich mix of elements. Stellar nucleosynthesis is the process by which stars create new elements through fusion. In the cause of massive stars, fusion continues beyond helium, producing elements like neon, magnesium, silicon, and eventually iron. Each stage of fusion requires high temperature and pressure, and each new element adds to the complexity of the star's core. This process is responsible for the diversity of elements found in the universe. Fusion in stars can create elements up to iron, but fusing iron does not release energy. Instead, it requires energy, which means that once a star's core is mostly iron, fusion stops supporting the star against gravity. This marks a critical turning point in the life of a massive star, setting the stage for a dramatic end and the creation of even heavier elements. A massive star can no longer fuse elements in its core. Gravity causes the core to collapse, triggering a supernova explosion. This is one of the most energetic events in the universe. The incredible temperatures and pressures during a supernova allow for the creation of elements heavier than iron, such as gold, uranium, and lead. The explosion scatters these elements into space, enriching the surrounding interstellar medium. In addition to supernova, the collision of neutron stars is another cosmic event that produces heavy elements. When two neutron stars spiral together and merge, the resulting explosion creates and disperses elements like gold and platinum. These rare but powerful events contribute significantly to the abundance of heavy elements in the universe. Heavy elements produced by stars and explosive events are ejected into space, where they mix with interstellar gas and dust. Over time, this enriched material becomes part of new star, planet, and even life itself. This cosmic recycling ensures that each generation of stars contributes to the chemical complexity of the universe. Our own solar system formed from a cloud of gas and dust, enriched by previous generations of stars. The heavy elements present in Earth and throughout the solar system are the legacy of ancient stellar processes. Without the life and death of stars, our planet and the elements essential for life would not exist. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, and the oxygen you breathe were all forged in ancient stars. This profound connection means that, in a very real sense, we are made of stardust. The story of element formation in stars is also our story, linking us to the cosmos in a tangible way. Astronomers use powerful telescopes and advanced technology to observe the processes of element formation in distant stars and galaxies. By studying the light from these objects, scientists can determine the elements present and trace their origin. This research helps us understand the ongoing story of cosmic evolution. Every element in the periodic table, except for hydrogen and helium, was created in stars or during stellar explosion. The periodic table is not just a chart of elements, it's a record of the universe's history and the processes that shaped it. Understanding where these elements come from gives us deeper insight into the nature of matter. Stars continue to forge new elements even today. As new generations of stars are born and die, the cycle of element creation and distribution persists. This ongoing stellar alchemy ensures that the universe remains dynamic and ever-changing, with each star contributing to the cosmic tapestry. In summary, stars are the cosmic forges that produce and distribute the heavy element essential for planets, life, and everything we know. Through nuclear fusion, supernova, and neutron star merger, these elements are created and spread throughout the universe. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that the atoms in your body were once part of a star's fiery heart. The universe's legacy lives on in all of us.